Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Sony ZV-E10 II, the latest in Sony's lineup of vlogging cameras. Designed for content creators, vloggers, and video enthusiasts, this camera promises exceptional video quality, user-friendly features, and versatile performance. Let's explore what makes the Sony ZV-E10 II a top choice for modern content creators. Design and build quality. The Sony ZV-E10 II is crafted with portability and ease of use in mind. Compact and lightweight, weighing just a few hundred grams, it's easy to carry around for all-day shooting. Ergonomic grip. The camera features a comfortable grip, ensuring steady shots even during extended use. Rotating LCD screen. The fully articulating touchscreen is perfect for vlogging and selfies, allowing you to see yourself while recording. Sensor and image quality. At the heart of the ZV-E10 II is a powerful sensor that delivers stunning image quality. 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. The large sensor provides detailed, high-resolution images with excellent depth of field control. BIONZ X processor. Sony's advanced image processor ensures fast performance and superior image quality, even in low light. Video capabilities. The ZV-E10 II shines in its video recording features, making it ideal for content creators. 4K video recording. Capture stunning 4K video at 30 FPS, with oversampling from 6K for incredible detail and clarity. Full HD slow motion. Shoot in full HD at up to 120 FPS for smooth slow motion footage. Real-time eye autofocus. The advanced autofocus system tracks eyes in real time, ensuring sharp focus on your subject. Product showcase mode. Perfect for product reviews, this mode quickly shifts focus from your face to an object you're holding up to the camera. Audio quality. Good audio is crucial for vlogging, and the ZV-E10 II doesn't disappoint. Directional 3-capsule mic. The built-in microphone captures clear and directional sound, reducing background noise. Mic and headphone jacks. For improved audio quality, you can connect external microphones and monitor audio with headphones. Windscreen. The included windscreen helps reduce wind noise during outdoor shoots. Connectivity and live streaming. Stay connected and share your content effortlessly with the ZV-E10 II. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Easily transfer photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet for quick sharing. USB streaming. Use the camera as a high-quality webcam for live streaming or video conferencing. One-touch sharing. Quickly share your content on social media with Sony's Imaging Edge mobile app. Battery life. Battery life is essential for prolonged shooting sessions, and the ZV-E10 II is up to the task. NP-FW50 battery provides up to 80 minutes of continuous 4K recording. USB charging. Conveniently charge the camera via USB, even while shooting. Versatility and expandability. The ZV-E10 II offers versatility and expandability for different shooting needs. Interchangeable lenses, compatible with Sony's E-mount lenses, giving you a wide range of options to choose from. Accessory mount. Attach accessories like external monitors, lights, and microphones using the camera's hot shoe and accessory mount. User-friendly features. Designed with content creators in mind, the ZV-E10 II includes several user-friendly features. Background to focus. Easily blur the background to highlight your subject with a single button press. Face priority auto exposure. Maintains optimal exposure for faces, even in challenging lighting conditions. Touch focus and tracking. Use the touch screen to quickly set focus points and track moving subjects. Price and value. The Sony ZV-E10 II offers incredible value, combining professional-grade features with an accessible price point. It's an excellent investment for anyone serious about vlogging and content creation. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Sony ZV-E10 II is a versatile and powerful camera tailored for vloggers and content creators. With its superb video quality, advanced autofocus, and user-friendly features, it's an outstanding choice for anyone looking to elevate their content. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.